Hey guys, it's me, Jen. I saw that I got a lot of really good feedback on the last video I made about this app, so here we are again on my phone, and I want to talk to you guys about the Easy Poser app. The Easy Poser app is a free app that has some paid features, but you can totally use it for free and have full range of manipulation of the little mannequins and stuff. So if you want to pay, you'll get extra poses and extra features. But if you want to use it for free, it's completely possible. Now, if you're interested in the original video I made about this, which was a full-on tutorial on how to use this, I'm going to link it for you guys in the cards right now. But this video is just a little bit of an update talking about some features that have been added or I wasn't aware when I made the video the first time. So this is like an extra bonus video. So I'm just going to get a mannequin on the scene. Here we go. We're going to call her Felicia. Hey, Felicia. This is the mannequin. Now, what I want to talk to you guys about straight off is you can see she's wearing a very sporty little shorts set for modesty. So you can keep that on her if you want to. But if you do not want that for some reason and you just want clean lines, then you can take that off of her. So that is your choice. I just wanted to let you know that that was an option. I wasn't aware of that last time. And this is for all the mannequins. All the boys will wear little shorts. All the girls will wear like shorts and that little crop top. Also, if you're manipulating a bunch of different features on this stage at the same time, say you have 2 or 3 different girls, you can hit this little circle and that will make whoever you select disappear. If there's more than one girl on stage, all you need to do is just click a little body part and then it'll choose which one you want to disappear. So that's the first thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about. I got a comment the last time I made a video about how to make them rotate. So I did answer that question in the comment section, but I'm just going to cover it in this video in case that person didn't get that message. I'm just going to do it again. So if you want to rotate your person, you just need to select their pelvis. Why can't I? Okay. Select the pelvis. And then use these sliders to make them rotate. This pelvis is their center of gravity, so every move that they make will kind of come from this point. Everything else kind of works as an extension of this point right here. So I'm just going to try to get her back on track. So if you select this little figure right here, hold on, let me just deselect her. If you select this little white figure down here, it's on the lower left-hand side, this will highlight her and make her green. Once you do that, you can make her go forward, side to side, backward or forward, or you can make her go up and down using the sliders. But when you get her into position, let's put her over here a little bit, you still will have to deselect all of this, select the pelvis to get her to turn. So that is just a thing. Now, the other thing that I've learned about this, which I didn't think was here originally, it's like a new situation, is they have, oops, sorry, that was a shopping thing you can buy. It's a new fantasy pack. I haven't purchased it yet, but it's supposed to come with a bunch of different like props that you can use. But this little section right next to the shop section is called animation, and I was not aware that this existed. I think it's really, really cool. So you can use this if you're interested in doing any animation. This is instrumental. If you're interested in just seeing what they look like in motion, there are tons of different ways to use this. There's like tons of different animations. There's dancing. That's an interesting dance there. There's push-ups. Where is it? There's a classic run. So what I like about this is that you can view it, of course, from any angle that you want to. You cannot manipulate their bodies. So whatever animation is, it is. But you can see it from different angles. You can see it from below. You can see it from above, which I like a lot. But another thing that's really cool that they added in is that you can do slow motion. So you can really make this go super slow. So if you really want to like make sure you're getting the angle perfectly, you can make it go slow. It gives you a better understanding. Another thing you can do is pause it. So if you want to do a motion shot and you want to get that right motion, this is going to be great for you because you can pause it right then and there and you can have that to sit still for you while you draw that picture. When you want to get the animations back up, you just click on this. So there's different sections of animations. They actually added a new section. This was not here beforehand. This is totally new. I am watching this for the first time with you guys, but this is pretty awesome. So this is what I mean. They always add like new stuff. These look very similar. I don't know what I'm seeing here. This all looks very like the same. I'm confused. There's some breakdancing animations. Interesting. I don't know. This all looks the same. Yeah, it's all breakdancing. It all pretty much looks the same. I mean, this is looking a little bit different. It's still pretty cool. I like that they're adding new sections. And you'll notice if you download this that they continue to add new sections. But there's interesting stuff. There's like a help if you're doing any kind of drama. This is, I guess, pointing. There's one where picking something up off the ground. Just really useful poses. I wanted to show you guys an idea of what could be done with this player. So this is like a little family portrait. I just got a bunch of mannequins together and posed them in different ways. And I just think it looks cute. You can do lots of different things and you can have fun creating tons of different poses. I'm going to be honest with you guys. A lot of times I'll play with this just for the fun of playing with it. Not because I'm looking to create something specific, but just because I want to play with it because I like to see what kind of scenes and things I can do. And it's just a fun creative outlet. So I highly suggest you download this and have fun with it, whether you're an artist or not, just because it's fun to play around with these little mannequins. If you guys have any questions about this app, I will definitely be willing to help you out if I can. Hopefully this has answered some questions for you. But if you want me to do more videos about this app, I totally will. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please comment below. Let me know what you thought of it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. And if you have any questions, like I said, please ask them below and I will get back to you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video. Take care.